Now, here's the thing here. Dragon Pass isn't a free sign up service. You need to buy a membership plan. So, you need to go to their website or you need to download the app, then pick a plan based on how often you travel. Now, once you pay, they'll send you a membership number or an activation code. Now, you want to keep those safe because it's your key to the access or in order for you to access the lounges. Now, next thing that you want to do is you just need to open the Dragon Pass app and register using your email. When prompt, enter the membership number or activation code you've received earlier. Now, this app activates your account and connects it to your paid plan. Now, without activation, you won't be able to use any lounges. Now, after activating here, you want to log in into the app and you can now search for available lounges in the airports you'll be passing through. Now, the app also shows you details like lounge names, opening hours, amenities, and even directions inside the airport, which is kind of cool. Now, when you arrive at the airport, you just need to open the Dragon Pass app, show your digital membership, or scan the QR code at the launch entrance, and once verified, you will be allowed in to basically enjoy the facilities like Wi-Fi, snacks, drinks, and a lot more. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.